A lot of LGBT people face so much discrimination and so many violations, but they're not reported, they're not redressed. As a minority as this in a country as Kenya, we need to change something that we feel is affecting our lives. I am at the Central Park waiting for a client who we're supposed to have a meeting with. He needs legal advice on his case. I can't meet him at the office because we don't have an office. So I meet in such public places.
LGBT organizations in Kenya are not allowed to register as NGOs, especially if they have the words gay and lesbian in their title, or if under their objectives they have an objective around working for or with sexual and gender minorities in Kenya.
When you're not registered, you cannot operate a bank account. You cannot get leases when you want to open an office. For example, we run a legal aid center. Our clients, we have to go to our clients because they will not come to us because you don't have an office, because you can't have an office because you're not registered. We started applying for registration as early as April 2012 with the NGO board, and 6 times they kept rejecting the application because we wanted to register the National Gay and Lesbian Human Rights Commission. The letter said reason number 1, gay and lesbian liaisons are criminalized, and because of that, they will not be registering an organization. And so we went to the Constitutional Court, asking the court to guide the NGO board in its decision. The key argument is that every Kenyan has a right to associate equally without discrimination of any kind. Another issue in the petition is whether it is constitutionally tenable to discriminate on people on the basis of their sexual orientation.
Gay Kenya Trust, it's registered as Kalega Youth Empowerment and Education, which is basically masking the fact that they work on gay issues and lesbian issues and bisexual issues.
You're forced to take a name that does not represent or reflect what exactly you do. You're forced to lie to your own government in your articles of association and say that you are a youth empowerment group, whereas your activities and objectives are to achieve the liberation for gays and lesbians in this country.
Without registration, we're invisible, which means our potential clients, people in Kenya who have been discriminated against on grounds of their sexual orientation, are not able to find us, and it means that these people are not able to get redress for the violence that they suffered or for the discrimination that they suffered.
If we were registered, we'll be able to meet clients, not here in the park, but in a space where they feel that they are safe and they're able to articulate whatever issues that they are facing in an open way that allows us to redress whatever violations that they are facing.